Have you ever brushed your teeth with baking soda? Some people swear it's the secret to a brighter smile, while others warn it could actually damage your enamel. So what's the truth? Stick around, because what dentists really say about baking soda may surprise you. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell icon, so you never miss a dentist-approved tip for your smile. Now here's where the confusion begins. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it can scrub away surface stains, like coffee, tea, even cigarette discoloration. That sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Dentists caution that if you use it the wrong way, you could be doing more harm than good. Let's talk about the benefits first. Baking soda changes the pH level inside your mouth, making it less acidic. This creates an environment where cavity-causing bacteria struggle to survive. It can also neutralize bad breath almost instantly. Sounds like a miracle ingredient, doesn't it? But here's the twist. There's something most people don't realize, and it can make you think twice before using baking soda every single day. Dentists warn that frequent use, especially with hard brushing, can wear down enamel, the protective shield of your teeth. And once enamel is gone, it never comes back. That's why some people who overuse baking soda actually end up with tooth sensitivity and even more yellowing over time. So, what do dentists really recommend? Use baking soda sparingly. No more than a couple of times per week. Always with a soft toothbrush, and pair it with fluoride toothpaste. That way you get the whitening benefits without the long-term damage. And here's the big takeaway. Baking soda is not a replacement for professional whitening or good oral hygiene. Think of it as a bonus tool, not your main weapon. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried brushing with baking soda? Did it brighten your smile, or did you notice sensitivity? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone considering DIY teeth whitening. Trust me, they'll thank you later.